Hi, Tracy from Nature's Heart. A little bit late with today's aromatherapy video, but better late than never, I figured. Today I want to talk about pet aromatherapy, and this is a challenging topic and one I've been asked about a couple of times in the last couple of weeks. So I just wanted to give a quick overview of how we can work with aromatherapy products and essential oils, in particular with pets. And it's a little bit tricky. Aromatherapists are trained to work with essential oils for humans, so we get instruction in how the components, the chemical constituents of the essential oils react in human body systems. Pets, of course, are different, dogs and cats. Cats particularly, they lack some of the enzymes that are necessary to break down these chemical constituents. So with cats, we need to be extremely careful, and it's actually believed that essential oils and cats are not a good combination. Dogs, we have a little bit more flexibility. There are a number of essential oils that we need to avoid. Tea tree is one of them, and the very strong like cinnamon bark and oregano and thyme and clove, those types of essential oils are too strong for animals to be able to handle, and as I said, especially cats. So the important thing to remember is that we need to consult with our veterinarian when we're dealing with health of our pets. Just like with humans, we need to understand that every body is different, and this also applies to pets. Every pet's body is different. Pets have unique needs in terms of if they have health conditions, there may be allergies involved. So it's always best to consult with a veterinarian. Veterinarians don't always have the essential oil knowledge, but it is always best to consult with your veterinarian when you're wanting to work with essential oils with your pets. So just a few guidelines. Aromatherapy for pets is a specialty. I'm not an animal aromatherapist, but because I've been asked these questions a couple of times, I wanted to give a little bit of an overview and some of the cautions that we need to really pay attention to when we're working with essential oils in our pets. So we want to avoid tea tree, we want to avoid cinnamon bark, we want to avoid clove, avoid peppermint. We need to avoid most of the citrus oils. And the reason we want to avoid them is because the pets are not able to metabolize them. Even dogs can't metabolize these chemical constituents. If we do choose to diffuse in a room where we have pets or in a home where we have pets, and here I'm talking about dogs because I've already said cats, really we should avoid diffusing essential oils into homes with cats. That's based on latest research. So with dogs, make sure that they can leave the room. You don't want to have them trapped in the room where the diffusion is happening. And we want to do very low level dilution, so 1 or 2 drops of the essential oil, and have that only running maybe on for 10 minutes in an hour and then off for the remainder of the hour. So because of these cautions, when we're working with animals, a better option is to work with hydrosols. And hydrosols are the product of distillation, the same distillation process where we get essential oils, but because it's the water product, we get, they're micro diluted, and they are much safer to use. So with hydrosols, we want to even dilute them further for cats, because remember, cats don't have the enzymes to break down the chemicals. So hydrosols are a much better option. Also flower essences, which are the opposite end of the spectrum when we're talking about botanical plant medicines. Essential oils are the very concentrated. Flower essences are the opposite end of the scale. They're highly, highly diluted. So hydrosols and flower essences are a much better option when we're working with aromatherapy products with pets. And remember, it's always best to consult your veterinarian before you use any products for any essential oil products for your pet. Of course, this caution also applies to cleaning. A lot of people are moving towards natural cleaners and using essential oils in cleaning. So remember, when you're cleaning with essential oils, they're going into the air so they can be inhaled. And if you're washing a floor, your pet can walk on the floor. And of course, pets groom themselves, so they may end up licking their paws where they have walked on that essential oil. So we need to be really careful that we're rinsing surfaces if we use essential oils. And of course, it's best to avoid using essential oils around our animals. So thanks for watching, And I invite you to have a look at my website if you're curious about other things that I do. I do offer more than aromatherapy. And www.naturesheart.ca is where you can find me. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.